First, connect the matching end of the AC outlet cord to the 2-pin port on the charging block. Next, locate the D-tap charging port on the battery and connect the charging cable. Note that there are 2 D-tap ports and only one of them is marked as the charging port. Finally, plug the charging cable into a standard wall outlet or extension cord. A solid red light on the charging block indicates the battery is charging. A solid green light indicates charging is complete. To view the charge level before or during use, press the check button on the side of the battery. Thank you for choosing NuvaWave, the new wave of disinfection. For further information or questions, visit www.nuvawave.com